Hello everyone. Well, I'm back. After a few months of not putting up new videos, I want to tell you what I've been doing. I have been showing you some of the 100 videos that I have made, and I've chosen the ones that I like best. Some of these have hardly been seen by anyone. Others were really popular. But now I'm moving on to something else. It may not surprise you to know that people who do videos need to have recipes. And where's the best place to get them? Well, of course, you can get them off the internet. But the original way to find recipes and learn how to cook was from books. And it may not surprise you either to know that I have written 5 cookbooks. Now, apart from the cookbooks, I've also written 2 novels and a memoir, but back to that later. Now, the cookbooks range in many different aspects. They cover different subjects, they have different kinds of pictures. One has no pictures at all, but I really want you to look at them. And so what I'm going to do is, each time I put up a new video for the next 5, I'm going to feature one of my cookbooks, and I'm going to choose from that the recipe that I want to show you. And each time it'll be something different, unusual, that you might never have heard before or never see in any other book. So now, going back to the others, the novels were a real escape. It was a period of my life where I just wanted to write stories, and this is what I did. And the funniest thing was that one of these novels, the first one, was very much based around food and what people were cooking, and every chapter started with a recipe. To my enormous surprise, this book won an award. The award was the best food literature book of the year it was published. My family always joked that there can't have been many food literature books and that's why it won. But anyway, it is a good story and you might like it. Now, the other one is purely fiction, completely, no food in that one at all. And then there is a memoir, which is about my life and the life of a very close friend of mine whose upbringing was totally different from mine. Anyway, to go back to all these books, where are you going to find them if you want to look at them? And this is where I'm showing you my page on Amazon, where you can see the whole lot of the books, and best of all, you can see where you can buy them very reasonably. You can buy 3 books on Kindle for less than £10. Some of the other really nice cookbooks you can buy for £3, £4 or £5. Of course, these aren't new, but they're categorised as very good and clean and decent second-hand books. And so this is what I want you to have a look at. And if you like them, please do get one, or even not, just tell your friends about it. Thank you so much for watching. Here are some of the books. And this is a screenshot of my Amazon page. Now, how do you get there? Coming up now is a code. You should write this down and then go to Google, put in this code, click, and it'll take you to the whole lot of all my books and everything about me.